As I have transformed my hair throughout the years, I have become more and more and more myself. When my hair is looking good, I feel better than anything. My name is Rachel Raquel, and I'm getting my hair transformed into an ink black color. Before you see my hair transformation, subscribe below. I'm originally from Iowa. I first came to LA when I was 16, and I started traveling back and forth working here for music and modeling. When I was younger, I swore I would never dye my hair. And then when I first moved to LA, 6 months in, my best friend and I decided to dye my hair brown, but we accidentally box dyed from like a dirty blonde into completely black. It was terrifying at first, but then we actually realized that it was way more me than anything I had ever done, and I've never felt more comfortable in my body. I definitely think ink black will give me more confidence on stage when I'm performing. I feel like it'll just make me feel like more oomph.
Good morning. I'm Courtney.
Rachel, nice to meet you.
Here we're doing a transformation to ink black today.
Yes.
My name is Courtney Anna Mason. I'm a hair colorist at the Benjamin Salon. My favorite part about doing hair is helping people create the image of how they want to see themselves and making people feel beautiful. Why don't you tell me a little bit about your hair?
I have a perm.
Okay.
And then I had a balayage, and I think they're still there.
Okay. Ink black was definitely a good choice for Rachel because she has a perm. The color that we used on her won't cause any harm to it. I'm gonna leave it exactly as it is. My assistant Hannah, she's gonna go ahead and get you ready for me, and I'll be back in just a minute.
When I lived in Iowa, I was definitely a super goody two shoes. I had been trying to keep this reputation of this perfect person since I was really young. Part of that perfect person reputation in my mind was never doing anything to my hair and being completely natural. So once I started coming to LA and I kept getting bullied and bullied, I was like, what's the point of me keeping up this perfect reputation if that's not how I actually feel? So I think moving to LA finally really got me into that state of mind of like, just be you.
You ready?
Yeah.
All right,
Let's do it.
Let's do this. Today the products I used to create Rachel's ink black look was L'Oreal Richesse from Roots to Ends, and then I used Redken shades to gloss it afterwards. It's definitely important to go to a professional to do something like this. You want to make sure that you're putting the proper product onto your hair. It definitely isn't as simple as just putting black color all over.
I love my current hair. I've been doing brown for a while now, and I actually just got a perm. So I've been rocking like the curly hair vibe, but I get really bored really easily. So I would like to keep the curls going. I'm down to like add a little more bangs, fluff up the curls, and like full speed ahead. Let's go.
Alright, so we're all done with your color. I'm going to send you off to your haircut and your blow dry, and I'm going to see you after. This is Michael, who's going to be doing your haircut and blow dry today.
Nice to meet you.
Alright, I'll see you guys later.
Alright, I'll let you know when it's all set.
Bye, thank you.
So you're looking to reestablish some fringe today?
Yeah, like a hippie bang.
Yeah, no problem.
Ooh, that's black for sure. This is a look. I'm hyped. I constantly need to be changing things up, and I'm that type of person that's like, surprise, here's me. I did that with my perm, and everyone was like, is this real? Like, I don't know.
Lately I really like the natural mermaid look as opposed to a lot of different styling tools that you could use. I like to air dry the hair, diffuse it, using some product just to kind of scrunch to get that natural texture. It tends to just be a little bit more soft and a little bit more just fluid as Rachel or any client walks down the street, you know, as it kind of has a little more bounce.
I think like changing my hair, making that first big step when I moved to LA was so important, because you need to do what makes you feel beautiful, and sometimes it's not the way you were born. Now, more than ever, everyone's kind of realizing that. Thinking you look good or liking your vibe and your style is really important and a big step towards self-love.
Check it out.
Okay. Oh wow, I love it. The curls look so good with it. Looks so good. This look makes me feel more like me. I know I've said that before. Everything turned out exactly how I wanted it to look. They're all there. the whole family and the family friends.
I love it. It is so dramatic. Oh, it's gorgeous.
Thank you, Mama.
Taking Rachel from light brown to ink black was a really fun transformation.
She wore it very well with her skin tone, her texture, eye color. Really has a very kind of unique vibe, which I think will be good for her. She wants to stand out.
It just feels so good and edgy and fun. I definitely think it correlates with my music style because like I said, I'm like pretty hippie, but I'm still a little dark and edgy with everything. I always look at myself in the mirror and I think, oh my God, young Rachel would be like, what did you do? Because I was so paranoid with what people thought of me, but also at the same time, I feel like way better as the person I am today. And I don't think young Rachel even knew what was coming to her at all. Thank you for watching Refinery29. To watch more videos, click here, and to subscribe, click here.